Did you know spray foam is one of the fastest growing services in the trades? It's true. Contractors across the country are adding it to their businesses. Want to see how you can too? Stick with me because in this free training, I'll explain the process step by step. Hi, I'm Chelsea Powell with Profoam. For over 30 years, we've been helping contractors and entrepreneurs start spray foam businesses the right way. What makes us different is simple. We're contractors ourselves. Every person on our team has been in the field running real spray foam jobs. That means when you work with Profoam, you're getting real-world answers and proven steps, not just theories. In this free training, I'll walk you through our structured process for starting a spray foam business, so you can see exactly what's involved and whether it's right for you. In this free video, you'll learn how to pick the right rig and equipment for your goals, get hands-on training and certification, build a marketing plan that works, and start putting jobs on the calendar with confidence. This is not about hype. It's about showing you the professional steps that actually work in the spray foam industry. We help you choose the right equipment, we train your crew, and we support you in the field so you don't have to figure it out all by yourself. In this free training, I'll show you how our system works and why so many contractors choose Profoam when they want to build something successful. I can't share everything here in a short ad. That's why I put together a free training video that walks you through the process step by step. If you're curious about how to start a spray foam business, and you want to see exactly how we help contractors get up and running, simply click the link to watch the training now. No hype, no empty promises, just a clear explanation of the process and how it works. Click now, and I'll see you inside the training.